current charge appointments for a number of years is negation of the spirit of instructions and rules. Full stop. It has therefore been desired that where such appointments are made in public interest should not continue indefinitely, and every effort be made to fill the posts through regular appointment in shortest possible time. I am therefore to request you that the observations of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which have also been circulated endorsed by the federal government, may be brought to the notice of all the concerned for strict compliance. Full stop. I am directed to invite your attention to the instructions issued on the subject noted above, while this department's circular letter dated 3rd November 1997 and 24th July 1999, in which it was clarified that where a post is likely to remain vacant for the period of less than 6 months and the appointing authority does not consider it expedite to make an appointment on ad hoc basis, it may appoint the senior most civil servant who, in the opinion of the appointing authority, is eligible and suitable for promotion under the relevant rules on current charge basis. Full stop. An appointment made on current charge basis shall come to an end on appointment of a person on regular basis or on the expiry of 6 months, whichever is earlier. Such appointments are made for short terms purely as a stopgap arrangement, and at times when the administrator department cannot be leave the posts unfilled. Full stop. The authority may at any time modify a scheme prepared under this act by way of change of land use through classification, reclassification, or redevelopment in the prescribed manner, and shall publish in the official gazette such modification or change. Full stop. The authority shall make, maintain, amend, manage, enforce, and keep in its custody the master plan of the area. Full stop. The authority shall, in the prescribed manner, exercise land use control and perform housing functions in the area. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law, a person shall be bound to adhere to the master plan, rules and regulations for land use, control, and housing functions as referred to in subsections 1 and 2 and close.